this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are here with another video, but it's for a new collaboration that's out. They are called Playing with Nails. Nails is with a Z. For our first theme, we are doing Color of the Year, Pantone's Color of the Year / Tigers. Color of the Year is Periwinkle or Very Peri. I don't have that color. I did order it from IGL Beauty, but you know it's gonna take a minute to get here. So I didn't mix them. I have got, this isn't it, by IGL Beauty, Bellissimo Blue. I took this color here, pretty color. And Purple by Beauty. Number P426. And what I'm doing, and have done, I have got a white by Beauty. This is a one-step gel polish. This is Y002. Coat your nail. Yucky. Put you a layer of polish on the nail with white. You don't want it too thick because you know what happens. It will wrinkle. But you want enough on because what you're going to do, we're doing a little bit of liquid marbling, drag marbling. Put you some drops on the polish. Get you some blue, blue, blue. This is a beautiful, whoa, Nelly. This is a, whoops, beautiful blue. I use a dotting tool, you may use a brush. I use the fat end. I brace my finger. Let me do this first. Get a little bit of that blue off. This is a lot. Start drawing in your polish. Take these out. Take off a little bit more of that blue. Do the same thing right here. Beautiful thing about gel polish, it does self-level. I think this turns out beautiful. So I'm going to shake that the way up. Get my other nail. Go in with the white again. Drag marbling is really super easy. It turns out really beautiful. But remember, don't put too much white on or it may wrinkle. I did have a fifth nail, and I'll show you in a second that nail because I'm not sure what happened. And it's why it's not on the board. Maybe somebody can shed some light on what I did wrong when I show you the fifth nail. Something's wrong. There's something wrong. I'm not sure what. I did everything I normally do when I do my manicures, so I don't know. Let me go back in. We drag through our polish. Let me go back through one more time. That is beautiful. I love how these turn out. They're always so different. I'm waiting a minute for them to self-level. Now I'm going to pop these in the lamp, give these a full 60-second cure. Here is the 5th nail. See how the side is? It wants to peel right off the nail, and I can't use this. I mean, I could have redid this, so I had a 5th nail, and I did try to press this down real good. I tried sticking the lamp on its side to cure it again. I don't know if I over-cured it. I put my base, I did everything like I did the rest of these nails. I have the base coat on, I have the white on, I did the white that I showed you. And this just, I don't know. I did everything as I always do it, and this just peels off. I've never had this happen before, so I don't know, maybe it was too thick there. I don't know. But that's why there's not a 5th nail. Alright. So here we are with that. There is our drag marbling for just trying to get the periwinkle color in there somewhere. I know it's like the blue-purple color. I'm probably not going to be happy with these in the end. But it is what it is. I'm taking my palette with some black from Maratt. I probably shouldn't be using this for drag marbling, or to do my tiger stripes. I should have used maybe a cheaper brand of polish. Anyways, I got me a brush. Where am I? So now we're going to take our nails, we're going to load up our brush halfway up the bristles, up the barrel of the brush. I'm going to brace my fingers. I'm just going to put my tiger stripe lines in here. And just, you know, draw you some lines, some tiger stripes. Any way you want to do it. Any old way will work. You've seen tigers before. Oh, so it's going to be in the comments. First comment will be pinned, will be a playlist of everybody who did the video. Please check that out. Give everybody a full view, please. Show your support, your love. Leave a comment, subscribe. And don't forget, I got giveaways going on for new subscribers. Also, if you send me a subscriber, you get entered into a different giveaway for Swarovski crystals. So, I got a video out back earlier in the month. So check that out. You can enter in any video. Let me know if you are a new subscriber. You can do any kind of tiger stripe design you want to do. Keep your brush. This nail's gonna turn out better than the other ones. Watch. Getting more comfortable with the brush. I don't do freehand that often. That's probably something I should start doing here in 2022. What does we think? What does we think? Put this down here with our others. So we have got our tiger stripe in color of the year. Kinda. Those are going in the lamp for a full 60-second cure. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back for first shot of the lamp. I took the liberty of top coating off camera and putting her back on the lamp for another 60-second full cure. I use IGel Beauty's top coat. It is so glossy. Love, love, love. I think these turned out really cute. So again, this is for playing with nails with a Z. We are a new collaboration on Instagram/YouTube. There will be pictures on Instagram. You can find them under JUST.NAILEDIT. You can use the hashtag playing with nails. That's with a Z for nails. So check us out there. Check us out here on YouTube. Remember, the first comment pinned will be a playlist. Don't forget, I've got giveaways going on for new subscribers and anyone who sends me a new sub. Check out that video. New subscribers can win sticky stamping polish by Maratt, which is a game changer when it comes to stamping, let me tell you. It's amazing. And if you send me a sub, these are permanent subs, no fly-by-nighters, you can win Swarovski crystals. So check that out, send me subs. Enter the giveaways, let me know. Sticky stamping polish is USA only. The Swarovski crystals is anywhere in the world. So I want to, be fair to everyone, and that, so everybody can enter that one if you send me a subscriber. If you have just subscribed and you bring your buddy along and they subscribe too, you get entered into both giveaways. So check that out, give it a thought. Enter, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my tiger/Pantone color of the year nails. It's a little bit different. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.